So here you have added a menu and you have added this the code, right? Then you added a band collection. Now this is of type ledger. It is sorted by name of the ledger. तो ये by name तुम्हें clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then the primary group was computed using the function कि boss, by this name I looked in the ledger and I picked up the primary group. ये तुम्हें समझ आया बेटा? मतलब आप इसमें से you understand everything, एक एक चीज़ समझ लो. This is something which is ready made, so that because I will ask you to explain this code in front of the tally partner. Is it clear? क्योंकि मुझे रिज्यूमे
Yes, sir.
बनाना है अभी. The system formulae is used for defining the bank filter. और ये bank filter ये रहा. Bank filter means that it belongs to the bank group. So this name, so this is the ledger of group. Name belongs to group of the bank.
Okay, sir.
ये बेटा आपको you'll have to understand it in depth how it was made. This is the ledger of the group, name and the bank. Clear? Then no, you have not understood it completely. This filter underscore, this thing is picking up from a variable. नहीं, तुमने पूरा नहीं पढ़ा. So you have not understood this, how this report was made. See, so if I pick this up, इसमें अभी मीनू बहुत काम करना है तुमको. मतलब यू हैव टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड ऑन दिस वन. आप मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हो बिकॉज आप डेप्थ में नहीं जा रहे हो ना. So now this is the collection which you had to pick up. Where have you picked up this collection? Where have you specified this collection? Na? So this collection, the source collection is bank details 1. It fetches the name. It triggers this report. The variable impacted is this. And then it will show bank report output 2. And the title is list of banks. आप इसको डेप्थ में नहीं जा रहे हो ना, आपने ऐसे ही किया हुआ है. Now here when you go to this report, then what is happening here? बताओ, what does this mean? This is the name of the bank.
Sir, आपने
बेटा आपको थोड़ा डेप्थ में जाना होगा because I expect the person to be able to go into depth. Because once I've coded it and I've shown you the recording, it's all in recorded sessions with you also. You're not going in depth. Then this line is normal default find this thing. And this particular line, I'll pick up only the name underscore bank because I need to pick up the name underscore bank. The remaining things are not really important. So this is the variable which is impacted because all these others are removed. You see this? None of them is going to be there. Only this bank name field is there. It is of type string. If it is empty, it's a bank name. Otherwise, please add the bank, else bank name. And it impacts this table. The table is the collection here. Bank details 3. आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, बट आप मेहनत नहीं करना चाह रहे हो. It impacts the collection here. It modifies this variable. Always show this table, the width and this thing. That was it. And this variable is defined here. And the bank details 2 collection, which is this one. It is where it is. So it's going to impact in the second report, where the final output is given. This is the second report in which the bank details 2 will come into picture. And here you make him show, okay, fine, what all is there. Serial number is there, company ID is, bank ledger ID is there. This bank ledger ID is based on this bank R. So this is the variable by which I carry the ledger name. I pick up the master ID. That's what he's asking. The company is that whichever is the current company, the excise unit name, then the tax unit name, and then its master ID. So you have to go from right to left. This company name, excise unit name, tax unit, and the master ID. And this is picking up the license info. If it is empty, then it's NA. It's not picking up. Then on this particular form, I've added a button send data. And it says pause the bank data, and then it calls this bank report too. This is a function here. But that I am not expecting you to do it. But आपको थोड़ा डेप्थ में जाना पड़ेगा, because एकदम ऐसे एकदम हॉटस्पॉट से तो नहीं हो पाएगा. because आपने क्या लिखा हुआ है. आना, आर यू एबल टू डू इट, और कि भैया ये नहीं कर पाओगे मीनू? बोलो बेटा, ये क्या आप इस तरीके कर पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे?
सर मैं कर दूंगी.
मुझे पता नहीं, लग नहीं रहा है. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट. आप ट्राई भी नहीं कर रहे हो ना, या आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है डीप में. बिकॉज पीपल हु वांट जॉब्स दे रियली वर्क वेरी हार्ड. मीनू, मैं तुम मेहनत उठा ही नहीं रही हो. अभी मैं 2 का रिपोर्ट्स का बना के देता हूँ, बट आप ट्राई भी नहीं कर रहे हो बेटा. ठीक है, आप ऐसा करो कि कैसे करें. So then here is this report made, because you also know that if you go and say, look, I'm going to show my puppy to a doctor, I will never stop you. But आपको थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट से करना पड़ेगा. So now, very poor. मेरे को सारा काम करना पड़ रहा है. मेरे को बेटा एक्चुअली समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ उसका. नहीं, एकदम नहीं है बेटा. मुझे नहीं लग रहा है बेटा, मुझे आगे मुश्किल लग रहा है. The above नहीं है मुझे. I have doubts. एकदम है ही नहीं, मतलब इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही नहीं है, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन यू ऑल द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑल्सो. Second record.